Hello, Mandy Flockton here. I can see that some of you are having weaver's knot issues, so hopefully I'm going to sort out your problems right now with a quick demo. That's your old bit of thread coming out of your book. This is your new bit of thread. Your needle will be on the other end. You tie a slip knot. First of all, this is how not to do it. Tie a slip knot and tie that knot far too tight. So when you put this over your old thread on your book and you go to pull, nothing happens. You won't feel a click. And when you go to tighten it up, it just slides off. So what you're going to do is when you tie your slip knot on your new piece of thread, when you pull this, you need to leave enough daylight in that knot there so that you can fit 2 thicknesses of that thread through, because this is what happens. You're then going to take that noose, pass the noose over your old bit of thread. By the way, you put the noose over your old bit of thread and you don't try and put your old bit of thread through that knot there. So you put the noose through, you move the noose up close to your book, and then you tighten up this piece of thread. And what happens is it grabs hold of your old bit of thread and it pulls it up into there, it bends it in half, and that's when you'll hear or feel the click. There you go, and that's a successful weaver's knot. Now you might not necessarily hear or feel a click. That only happens if the amount of daylight that you've left in that knot is not too huge. If it's too big, then you might not hear anything or feel anything, but nevertheless your knot should work anyway. So then you would tighten that up and you'd clip off the spare bits of thread, and then you can carry on sewing. So hopefully that's sorted out all your weaver's knot problems. If you've got any questions, please get in touch.